förberett lösning till det. Swedish here.
Yeah.
It was the 30% of task force, but not 94, turning 30 years old in 2024, and be expected again. December 6, 7, 8, 7, 0. It's Laurea.
Yeah.
University of Applied Sciences. Otaniemi.
No, but this not in Otaniemi.
No,
yes, but
Pohjois-Tapiola,
yeah, Metsänpojankuja 3. It's address because it's not Otaniemi campus even it says it. It's Aalto University here, there, but
there is one. And the strange is only Swedish here.
yeah,
But it's Laurea, so
yeah,
Finnish speaking, so I don't know, kind of weird.
yeah,
But yeah, I don't know why this says but it's not in Otaniemi, but
yeah,
Pohjois-Tapiola, not another in Espoo, Helsingin, Uusimainen and Finland. This one should have been made scenic.
yeah. Niskuttiit paikkivain maintained by Kone.
This building doesn't also feel like 30 years almost.
Yeah.
But it also might be Kone from late night 94.
Yeah.
It's still so fresh.
Yeah.
Check when this campus was finished. It's cool that it says on the switch. The alarm is in the picture.
That's